guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you this lasagna soup recipe. It is super easy, it's pretty much dump and go, and it's really convenient that it's made in your crock pot, so it just kind of simmers all day, and when you're hungry and ready to eat, your dinner is already ready to go for you and your family. If you enjoy recipes and videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing down below to my channel. It really helps out my small and growing channel here on YouTube.
Inside the noise, I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart.
So once your sauce has been cooking for 3 to 4 hours on low, it is time to go ahead and boil up your lasagna noodles. I'm just taking traditional lasagna noodles that are uncooked and breaking them into smaller pieces, boiling them until they are done, and then adding them back into our soup. This is also the same time you will add all of your cheeses, and then cover and let your soup thicken for an additional 30 minutes on low. Once your soup has thickened, you are ready to serve. We just topped our bowls with some more Parmesan, some ricotta, and basil. This was a super fun take on lasagna, and my whole family really enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for stopping by for another one of my videos. I will leave some links down below to some other recipe ideas that I've recorded on my channel. And if you're not already, we would love for you to subscribe. I have a $5 dinner video coming very soon, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you are notified of that upload.
Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time